All right, after a lot of time packaging everything, point out there's the first day. I've got boxes that are going on resupply 4 and 7. Those are 2 pairs of shoes there. There's a third pair of shoe down there. That's going to resupply number 11. So that's the first resupply, or the first 2 boxes. The second resupply are these 2 boxes, white ones. Third one's the big box down there. And we got a simple resupply for 4. We got a big one for 5. Another big one for 6. And then way down there is 7. This is the big 7. And you got 8. And you got 9. And you got 10. You got 11. And this is 12, my last resupply. And that's the itty bitty box for number 9. So I got a crap ton. And then out of all that, Winnie took this out of one of these boxes because Janet woke up and did not keep Winnie from grabbing it. I know she did because she bet it. It's vacuum bag and it's busted. So I'm gonna use this on my first day on the trail. So been a long day. I know what the weight is, but I can't remember now. But everything is weighed. Went back, put some clothes in there now. I got some stuff to do, just a triple check. So I'm starting with a new pair of shoes, and I got 3 pairs. So 4 for the whole trail should last. I figure 500 miles, 1,700 miles. I should be able to do 2,000 miles with 4 pairs of shoes. Oh boy.